bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my loves, I have a whole video for you guys. I know I've been gone. I've been away for a while. I haven't done a lot of videos. I've been kind of like MIA, but I want to make some videos for you guys. And I went to Michael's. I went crazy, as always, and I bought some stuff, and I wanted to show you guys what I got. So yeah, let's get started, right? So the first thing I want to show you is stuff that I bought, which of course I didn't need to buy. We all know that. And I really bought too much of. We all know that, right? But I could not resist because the price was ridiculous. Like, it was just ridiculous. So I had to get it. So they have this collection. I think it's like 80% off, guys. I'm not even kidding you. I paid 60 cents for each one of these paper pads, and I couldn't believe it. I said to myself, what, 60 cents? That's like crazy. And so I went crazy and I bought a whole bunch of stuff. So let me show you everything that I'm going to show you from this collection. Everything was 60 cents each. Every single item was 60 cents. Incredible. The first thing I'm going to show you is the paper. They had 3 kinds of different papers. This is the first kind. I love this one because it has these really beautiful lemons. I love these like lemon prints. And it's just really gorgeous. The flamingo. It's just gorgeous, gorgeous paper. And yeah, it's pretty. So I bought this kind. I bought 8 of these. Okay, I know, but then they had the solid color paper pad, which has kind of like embossing, and I thought that would be interesting. I wasn't too crazy about it, but I made myself like it for 60 cents, of course. And so it has this like really beautiful embossing on the paper, and I thought it was really pretty. So I grabbed 2 of these, and then I grabbed 2 of this one because I loved it. I wish they had more of this one because this one is kind of like front and back, and I thought it was awesome, but they only had 2. But look how pretty these papers are. I love it. I love it, guys. Okay, then they had their puffy stickers, and I love using their puffy stickers. I am going to be doing a DIY project for you guys in another few days using these little stickers. I think you're going to like this tutorial that I'm going to show you guys. But I love using these little puffy stickers. They're just so cute. They're so adorable. I love that it has like little lemons, which is what I needed. And I loved it. So I grabbed more than 3. I think I grabbed like 6 of these, but the other 3 is behind me. But just so you get an idea, I grabbed a whole bunch of these. I love them, love them. Okay, I bought another one of these die cuts. I already had one, but I kind of like the flamingo. How cute is the flamingo? So I grabbed another one of these. I thought these were really cool. 60 cents. You can't beat it. Okay, then they had their postcards, which I was like, what? Oh no, I gotta grab some of these. And so they had 2 different kinds of postcards. This one is one of the ones that they had. I love the postcards. I love the scenery. I thought it was awesome. Again, 60 cents. You cannot beat it. And it's just gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. It's just really pretty, nice scenery. It's awesome to send to your friends. It's awesome to put in a maybe like a junk mail, like maybe you have to send something out to someone, junk journaling or a stuffed envelope. This will be awesome for that. Okay, so I grabbed 4 of this one, And I grabbed 4 of this one. I love these lemons. Remember good time. And you got these beautiful flamingos. It's just really, really pretty. Okay, so I grabbed 4 of these. And the last thing that I grabbed from this collection is these note cards, which I thought they were brilliant, especially for the project that we're going to be doing. It says stop and smell the lemons. I loved it. I thought it was super cute. They're a set of 8 note cards, and again 60 cents. You could not beat it. So I grabbed 3 of these. Okay, and that's the only thing that I grabbed from that collection. If you guys if you guys live by Michael's, I suggest you guys to go tomorrow and see if you can find some awesome things from this collection. Everything is 60% off. Actually, I think it's like more like 80% off, and each item is 60 cents. So that's insane. Okay, let's get back to the regular stuff that I bought. I of course went and bought some of these flowers. I'm obsessed with these flowers. I love them to death. I do feel, however, it's very pricey. These cost $7. I think, no, $7.99 each one of these. I think that's extremely expensive. I would personally never buy this for $8. However, when I do have a coupon, I kind of like just go crazy and I buy them. So I always try to go with my husband so that he can buy one for me and then I could buy one myself using the coupons. But I love these flowers. I am obsessed with them. Every time I go to Michael's, I have to grab one of these flowers. I feel like they're never gonna have them. I feel like they're gonna like not restock them again, and it's just I have that fear. So every time I go to Michael's, I have to grab at least one of those flowers. Okay, then we're going into the mermaid craze about mermaids, right? I'm a little late on that, but that's okay. I bought this mermaid coast set, cards and envelopes. I love it. I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. I know you guys know what this is. I'm a little late on this, but I wasn't really too crazy about this kind of like style, but I'm gonna show you what changed my mind immediately. But yeah, I bought this. These were 70% off, and I love everything in here. So what changed my mind about this collection that I honestly was not even like into, I saw these amazing tags. I love these tags. I love the color. You guys know me. I am a lavender fanatic. I love lavender, and this is definitely speaking to me. So I saw this and I'm like, oh my god, I have to get this. So I grabbed this tag set, and it's just beautiful colors. It's just gorgeous. And so when I saw this, I also picked out the paper that goes with that, and so I picked out the I don't know why, but I picked out the 6x6 because I love the colors in here are just amazing, and I love it. And I just thought it was beautiful. So I picked up the 6x6. I also picked out the 12x12, which was actually 70% off. And I mean, you guys already know what this looks like, but it's just really gorgeous tones of purple, which is definitely up my alley, and I just love it. I love it. It's like one of my favorite colors. So this lavender colors mix is just making me so happy right now. So yeah. Okay, so I got that. Along with this, I also picked out this paper pad, which I was not too crazy about. I have to tell you, I bought this paper only because they had 2 or 3 papers in here that I really liked. I would have bought the 6x6, but for the price of what you get for the 6x6, I just said, let me just get the 12x12. They were 70% off, so it made no sense to me. So I grabbed this one, and again, these colors are not exactly colors that I go for. I love this right here, this beautiful, just gorgeous, gorgeous. I love this. This is really one of the papers that I really loved. There are others in here that I was like, but I wasn't crazy about. I'm not too crazy about all these like colors and stuff like that, but what are you gonna do? I do, however, love this purple star color theme going on here. I thought it would be perfect to match with the this paper pad that I bought. And then I love these mermaids. I thought these were beautiful. I was thinking of cutting these out and making them like kind of like die cuts or ephemeras or embellishments or whatever. I thought it was beautiful, so I had to get this specifically for these mermaids. I think they were beautiful. And then another purple. The unicorns are okay. I love this. This is beautiful. And these colors I'm not really crazy about. So I don't know what I'm going to do. Like literally, I only like 4 or 5 things in here. I don't know what I'm going to do with the rest of the paper. Maybe I'll gift it to somebody. I don't know. Okay, so then I continue with the mermaid craziness, and I bought these amazing, beautiful sequins, which I am crazy about. Look how gorgeous these sequins are. Isn't that beautiful? I cannot wait to make stuff with this. I love it. Okay, I bought this paper flower from the collection called Backyard Tables. I wish they had this collection on sale. I mean, they do have it on sale, but I think still for what they're selling it for, it's still a little bit pricey, so I'm gonna wait. But I'm trying my best to stack, like really stack up on these collections. I love it. But I found these paper flowers and they were only $3, so I grabbed it. They're beautiful and they go with my mermaid theme. I got these beautiful stickers, which I thought were beautiful with the mermaid. Again, this is like, I'm gonna be doing a lot of mermaid stuff because I am obsessed with this paper, clearly. So yeah. Okay, I got a mermaid stamp. I got a mermaid stamp. Yes, I did. Look at this mermaid stamp. How cute is it? Adorable. I love it. And the star is so cute as well. I got a mermaid tag. I got a mermaid tag. Okay, not really mermaid, but to me, in my mind, I can see it, right? So beautiful, this tag. I love it. Definitely will go with the theme, and I just thought it was beautiful, right? I wish they had more of these tags. So this one is really cute. I bought like, these were like 60 cents. This says rainbows and glitter. This one says mermaid vibe, and I love it. They're so cute. These are note cards. I found these trims that would go perfect with my mermaid theme, and I thought I loved it. So I got this purple one, and then I got this beautiful like lavender purple, and then I got these gorgeous tassels, which they're kind of dark in color, but it's okay, it'll work. I got this lemon sticker because I am doing a project for you guys in another few days, and I needed some lemon stickers. And the last thing that I got were these like milk cap bottles. I got these actually in Florida, to be honest with you. I picked this up and I saw it and I'm like, wow, this is really cool. I haven't seen this here yet. I'm sure they probably sell it, but I've really never seen these here. So I thought these would be awesome for like, I don't know, junk journaling or Happy Mail or something. I love this. So I grabbed one of these. I thought it was really awesome. And then I wanted to show you guys really quickly what we're going to be working with in the next few days with my mermaid theme. I got these note cards while I was thrift shopping, and I said to myself, oh my god, this is going to be perfect for the mermaid theme that we're going to be working on. And I thought these were awesome. So yes, my darlings, so I will be coming soon with some DIY videos for you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't, make sure you hit that subscription button, and I will see you guys soon on my next video. Love you all and have a fantastic weekend, honey bunnies. Have a fantastic week. Bye.